In this video, I will explain what happens when the speed sensor is damaged. Many people don't pay attention to this because they think it is an insignificant part, but it can cause some other problems that we are going to clarify in this video. The first problem that we are going to notice when the speed sensor is damaged is that it does not show the speed on the dashboard. This is a fault, and it is one of the most obvious that the speed sensor is not working. If you notice that the speed does not even move the needle on the dashboard, it means that you have a problem in the sensor. It may be broken or it may have a false contact. The other problem that is a little more serious would be a problem in the transmission. This can be mistaken for a problem in the gearbox, but sometimes it can be a sensor problem. So if you're not getting any shift patterns on the dash and you're having problems with the gears not shifting properly, it could be that the speed sensor is damaged because the computer is not interpreting the signal and making the shifts erratic. The third thing could be the check engine light on. This is a little easier because if we connect the scanner, we can tell that the speed sensor has a problem. The fourth problem, which I also see as a bit serious, is the problem with the ABS system. Almost always cars have anti-lock systems and can have problems when there is a failure in the speed sensor. The first thing I recommend is that you disconnect the positive battery cable. This in order that the computer does not register what we are doing. The second thing is to locate the sensor and remove it. It is almost always near the transmission. It may be that your sensor is toothed or imantado, as there are two types of sensors, and there is also a sensor that has 3 wires and the other has 2 wires. The last thing would be to replace the sensor with the new one, connect the battery, and that would be it. So if you liked the video and you have learned and understand why the speed sensor is an important part in cars, let me know in a comment and see you in the next one.